Hi all and welcome back to another episode of Planet Base. This is the first base that you start off with. Currently we are having a problem with keeping ourselves manned. But we do have two telescopes now. One of them does seem to be manned. And we're reconstructing some of the base, and it's really difficult to reconstruct because you have to bring everything back and you can't like decouple a section. So it is really quite difficult to do. So what we're looking to do is to put a landing pad back on, but we want it to come through a security office, to come through the airlock. So you want landing pad, airlock, security, and that's not quite so easy to do. So we're going to be taking this airlock off here when that robot gets moving, but I think he's dead anyway. So we're going to take that off there. It's a shame we can't, like I say, de-link something, you know. But unfortunately, once it's built, and there's not much that you can do. So we are going to try and keep this as well, we don't want it as the landing pad area, because we want the landing pad area sort of over here. We've got to get something over there so we can respond. Now I'm not too sure how our storage is doing. And I don't want to reconnect all of this again, but it looks like we might have to. And we are looking at power as well, because apparently our power is low, so we're going to be looking at that. So let's have a look at our power grid. Our power grid, well, it is more than what is required, but I think we need to upgrade it slightly. So what have we got here? These visitors, colony ship. There's a guard. Okay, so how many have we got now? How many guards have we got now? Right, so we've got 20 guards now, so that should be okay there. Okay, and we're going to need some more workers because we got let's take up our biologists up to 40. And let's get this sorted out, this section here sorted out. So, like I said, we're going to have, we need to get through. And they need to come through, not this airlock, because we want to get rid of that airlock. But you can see it's all chained. It's all chained up. So either we're going to have to move that, and we're going to have to reconfigure this section over here. And I think we're going to have to. So we're going to have to move all of this line to connect it here, so we can backtrace and get rid of this airlock. Because I don't want them connecting to that machine, which is going to be absolute nightmare. So the first thing that we're going to be doing here is building. So if we're going to backtrace it, I want to try and use the same materials. So not that one. So we're going to be having a water tower here. and then we're going to get rid of that one. Yeah, and then what I want to do is we're going to have more water. Yeah, and we're going to backtrace there, and then we're going to get rid of that one. I'm not going to build another airlock because I've got this airlock here, so they can come out here and do it. So let's have a look at our power. Generating 0 kilowatts. Yep. But we do now have the big solar power. So I don't know where the airlock is down here. Right, the airlock is up there, so we do need to bring a, I don't know where we should bring a storage. Right, yeah, so what we're going to do down here, we're going to bring storage. I'm going to do, is that storage? No, that's a processing plant. Okay, so we can only have a small storage, but as long as we can link it. What was that one? Colonist ship. And we got a medic. Why did we get a medic? Did I ask for medics? No, I asked for a biologist. Didn't ask for a medic. Right, I want to move this oxygen plant. Because then I can get that water storage is low. Yeah, well, we took off 2 bits there, so we've got our engineers out now. Sandstorm detected. But it's not here yet, and I want you to finish building those things. Okay, let's get everybody in. Gives me time to play around anyway. Okay, still no sandstorm. We're going to take the alert off. Right, so we've got those 2 there. Like I said, what was we doing? We need to have this one as priority. look. I want to see how many bots that we got. That's one constructor bot. Hopefully this is the constructor bot. Yeah. What are you going back home for? I want that the water thing on. So we've got another colonist ship. What, 38? Did I ask for? Yeah, 38. How are we doing on food? Yeah, we're doing okay on food. Right, so hopefully he's going to connect this. Right, okay, so that is building that. So hopefully our water will go up now. Yeah, 26 and 40, so that will fill up. And we're going to need to have these filled up. Where are we? Water tank. Connect that way. I say it's just so hard because we can have the security office here on the landing pad, but it's getting past okay, so we've got police state has been achieved. So you've got all of this to build down yet, and we've got all of that to build down. So I might build another settlement down here because we've got quite a lot of area. Okay, that's over. And we'll see you in the next episode, ladies and gentlemen, where we carry on reconfiguring our bits here. And we've got water, so we can get a little bit more off of that. Have fun, stay safe. Bye for now.